equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on changing the battery in your Conga 1390. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Let's get started. First, turn off your Conga 1390 and unplug it from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely powered down. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel with your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the casing. With the panel removed, you'll see the battery compartment. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using your soft cloth. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new battery is installed. Now, disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connectors. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if you're unsure about any part of the process. Next, take your new battery and connect it to the same connectors. Ensure it's securely attached. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your Conga 1390. Carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any issues during operation. After reassembling, it's a good idea to give your device a quick clean. This not only improves its appearance but also helps maintain its functionality. Now, plug your Conga 1390 back in and turn it on. Check to see if it powers up correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any surprises. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the battery in your Conga 1390. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help you with all your cleaning device needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.